Thinking about upgrading your backyard barbecue game? Whether you're craving that perfect smoke ring on a brisket or want restaurant-quality grilled steaks without the guesswork, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the best pellet grills and smokers of 2025, from premium outdoor beasts to beginner-friendly models and even an indoor smoker that actually works. So if you're serious about flavor, control, and convenience, stick around. One of these just might be your next favorite grill. Let's get into it. Number 1. Yoder YS640S Pellet Grill. This is a top-tier smoker built in the USA using heavy-duty steel and designed in the style of a traditional offset smoker. It features Fireboard's advanced control system, giving you Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, precise temperature control, fan speed adjustment, and dual probe ports. No matter the weather, cold, wind, or rain, this grill holds its temperature without fail. It works with any pellet brand and delivers some of the best ribs, brisket, and burgers I've ever cooked. The Stay-Cool spiral handle and counterweight lid make it easy to lift, and the second sliding rack nearly doubles the cooking area. Optional add-ons like extra shelves and a pizza oven enhance its versatility. Rugged, accurate, and reliable, this smoker is a true workhorse. Number 2. Coyote C13P6FS 36-inch Pellet Grill. Combining sleek, upscale aesthetics with serious smoking power, this grill features a front-loading pellet hopper and hidden sliding shelf for easy refueling. Twin augers and fans ensure even temperature throughout, while the double-walled hood with gasket seals keeps the heat and smoke locked in. You get 3 temperature probes to monitor multiple cuts at once. While it lacks Wi-Fi or app control, its premium build quality makes up for it. The laser-cut cooking grates are sturdy, distribute heat evenly, and are easy to clean. With the adjustable Versarack system, you can easily rearrange the interior for different cooking needs. Number 3. Camp Chef XT24 Pellet Grill. New to smoking? This one's a great starting point. It's budget-friendly, easy to use, and delivers great flavor without complexity. Setup is quick, with no overwhelming instructions. Inside, a small upper shelf adds bonus space, ideal for wings, though not large enough for brisket. Camp Chef Smoke Control lets you adjust intensity for different foods, and it performs consistently with no hot spots. Cleanup is simple thanks to the ash cup system. It doesn't come with smart features, but for beginners, it offers dependable performance at an affordable price. Number 4. GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Yes, indoor smoking is a thing, and GE nailed it. Initially, I had doubts, but this unit produces real smoke flavor without filling your kitchen with haze. It's bulky, so make sure there's some clearance above it. After reading the manual and getting through the first cook, operation becomes smooth. I smoked a whole chicken in my test, and the results were surprisingly flavorful. The top-loading hopper feeds pellets into a firepot, and leftover ash drops into a water pan for easy cleanup. You can adjust smoke intensity, and GE's filtration system removes smoke before it escapes. It's smart, effective, and virtually odorless. Number 5. Camp Chef XXL Pro Pellet Grill. If you love slow-smoking jerky, fish, sausage, or bacon, this vertical smoker is made for you. It includes a massive 30-pound hopper, 7 racks, and 12 hanging hooks. It's not designed for grilling or high-heat searing. This is a true low-and slow smoker. All racks are away from the heat source for gentle, consistent smoking. While the steel isn't the thickest, it holds temperature well. One standout feature is the built-in smoke box, which lets you enhance flavor using wood chunks, chips, or charcoal, something pellet purists will appreciate.